Hey everybody, welcome to part 2 of day 4? I always forget what day we're on. This is why I use different ways to tell people what day or what video number it is. But yeah, I can't remember. All I remember is which ones are days and which ones are parts. And which ones are just pure numbers. But welcome back to part 2 of... I already said it, but I'm not gonna embarrass myself right now on the internet. But welcome to back to BirdCraft. If you guys didn't see part 1, go check it out. I'll try to put a link in the description if it's up in time. That's if it is up in time. I usually tend to, because it's a full 15 minutes long. I don't know if YouTube will block my power to post that video, because my entire thing, I didn't confirm my phone number yet because I don't have a phone. I do all this on tablet. Tablets don't have phone numbers. This place looks nice. This place very much looks nice. This is gonna be the bar part, so we better get some things that look like a bar. A crafting bench, or not the kitchen area, or not the kitchen. What is it called? Area where people eat. This is why I should be always in school. Boop. Boop. Couple slabs. Boop. Maybe a trapdoor. Boop. Yeah, by the way, it took me a while to get this. Boop, boop. Badoop. This is gonna be difficult to crouch. Crouch already. There we go. Boom. Boom, don't know why I'm so crouching. Boom. 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 There we go. That is not how I wanted to open, but I just like how my luck ends up to be right now. Why does it do that? Are they directional like terracotta, or... So I thought okay, so they're directional like terracotta, I guess. Don't know why you would do that, but okay. We need to make some tables. There we go. Wire pressure plates. Just 2 tables is good enough. Fence. Torches, goodbye. Granite, goodbye. Boom and boom. Boom, boom, boom. Can you not? There we go. So now in villages they use carpet, but I don't think, I think that's just because, look at this. Would you eat here? People, would you eat here? You, a friend eating here? Would you eat here? That one person watching, please comment. Please comment if you're gonna eat here or not. Break you. You take forever to break. Boop. Badoop. And go. Boop. Yeah. Look at this place. Look, very brown. Very brown. Okay, that's just because spruce wood is my favorite type of wood. Spruce and birch are my favorite types of wood. We should probably... Where should we put this staircase? Probably should get rid of that tree. I still have max? Oh, yes, I do. Forgot I made a stone axe and made it and go down all the wood. Oh, spruce wood. Wait, this is one of the giant oak trees, aren't they? Or is it just one? I can't tell. Cause I hate the giant oak trees. I like I like making tree of life out of them. Which okay, so it's just a normal oak tree. Okay, that's good. Just a normal oak tree. I just like how you can look down right now. I'm thinking maybe an oak wood roof right here? An oak wood staircase? I know it's gonna do not much damage. Oak wood. Here. Craft a unit oak. If I do this. The number of times I want to swear people in these videos is very high. But I keep it for the young people who do watch us. For the very weird, more elder people that watch me. But tell me, what do you guys want to see? Now obviously I won't be able to play everything, and certain games I do not like. So if anybody does comment, Call of Duty, I do not like that game. I'm not much fans into shooter games. Yeah, just not a fan of shooting people. Call me a pacifist all you want. I just don't like shooting people. Where is there an oak tree? Of course, I swam right across the river and I see oak trees. No, I can go down the river even more and come across oak trees. I really need to find an oak tree. Yeah. I hate jungles. One thing, there's another river. Or is it? Or is that the same? Oh, that's just the same river that continues that. Okay. Why did I decide to make my first series in jungle? Why can't I jump? There we go. Why did I decide to do the first season of this in jungle? Don't know. Why did I decide to do on Pocket Edition? Well, Pocket Edition just would have been easier for me to record more often. So I thought I was gonna do more of an like an everyday, daily type deal, but no, because that would be like too much, and I do get most of the time I really just didn't want to record. Okay, that's just because I knew not many people would see my videos. At current sake, I don't know. Maybe in the future I'm big, and famous. Like I don't know. I know the most famous is PewDiePie, but I don't watch him. Okay? I said it. I don't watch PewDiePie. I want to say half my audience just left. I'm hoping the TV is not coming through, because the TV may have just said an area where I live near. And I was absolutely quiet for it, so yeah. And are you kidding me? Seriously. Why do you do this to me, game? Why do you do this to me? Luckily, there's no tree in the way over here, so. And those logs, the junglewood logs you see on the ground, those are for the pillars that are going to be inside of it, kind of the framework. I am a Grian fan, so I do know how to, so I do make the framework and the cobstone. You can probably see for the first house, which I still have yet to finish. Probably gonna finish that next episode, which would be either next Monday or this weekend, depending on what time. Or are we at 10 minutes right now? Yeah. Hoping the other video did get posted. Did I get a notification? I don't know. Is it? Yeah. Oh, come on. Yeah. So, yeah. Staircase. Can I still get up here? Probably. Yeah. I'm gonna start clearing up now. I keep falling. It's 30 something. Still member. There we go. I need more spruce. You know, I'm just gonna make all of them into spruce. Spruce wood! I like spruce wood, people, okay? So this area would be the, not residential, it would be, like a hotel type area? Hotel, motel. I don't know really the difference, so if you know the difference, please tell me. I just see them as both places where you can stay. So yeah, I'm probably gonna get back to the door here and call this video it. So 13 minutes, just about 13. I would complete this level. Just because I know you guys like me seeing, or you guys like seeing me place wood down. Okay. Well, hopefully you guys have a good rest of the day, or good night if you're watching this at night.